automatically read the vehicle identification numbers. Then we go down and select what vehicle it is now. It's a Transit and it's a build date 2022. We've got all these, what we can do, assistance, common faults, favourites. We're going to favourites and it's going to be trailer Towbar coding or reverse backup camera coding. Click on the Towbar. Put all the necessary assessments in there, yes. 7 or 13?
7.
This is what's going to class as creating a ticket. There you go, it's sent through to Calum now.
So once the customer's connected with the complete diagnostics coding tool, we connect to the vehicle, getting the vehicle details, talking to the customer through our online chat, and we then connect to the vehicle using the required dealer tool. In this case, it's a Ford Transit Custom, so we'll be using the Ford FDRS system. Once connected to the vehicle, We'll perform all the required configurations to the vehicle's modules so the vehicle knows that it's had a retrofitted tow bar and wiring kit fitted. This will then make all the required adaptations within the vehicle, providing all the additional features within the vehicle as the manufacturer intended. Once the tow bar configuration is completed within the vehicle, we inform the customer in the chat and get them to test the vehicle to check that all the functions have been correctly activated using the complete diagnostics tool.
Right, he's just text back now saying coding complete. Please cycle the ignition. So basically we've got a key off 30 seconds, let all the modules power down, and then it will power up. He's actually sent that screen as well to us to say procedure complete, also successful.
Once the vehicle's been coded and you turn the ignition on the vehicle, in the vehicle's display you'll see a message say that a trailer has been connected. We'll then go and test the trailer lights. Go through all the lights, all functioning correctly. Indicators, foot brake, side lights and the fog light will be disabled on the vehicle when it's towing. This is to avoid any glare on a caravan or anything like that. We're now going to test the legally required C2 notifications. So with the right hand indicator on, we'll turn the indicator off on the trailer board and we get a message on the dash to let you know that you've got a turn signal malfunction. We'll do the same on the left hand light now. Same with the left hand light there. And then we'll do the same with the brake lights. And we've got the trailer brake light malfunction on there as well now. When you put the vehicle into reverse, you see the rear parking sensors are disabled and your trailer symbol in the vehicle's display. As well as this, you've got other adaptations made to the vehicle, including ADAS related adaptations, trailer stability programs are operated to help with trailer sway control, and other features dependent on vehicle specification.